Hi, I am Som Rasania from Amita Rasania channel on YouTube, and today we are going to study Standard 8 NCERT for subject Science. And today we will learn Chapter 1, which name is Crop Production and Management. Crops and management, how it is grown and its management. So Chapter 1, Crop Production and Management. प्लीज़ सी दी वीडियो टिल द एंड फॉर योर बेटर एक्सप्लेनेशन। इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखें तो आपको चैप्टर अच्छे से समझ में आ जाए। सो लेट्स बिगिन। टॉपिक्स जो भी कवर हो गए वो है एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिस, टाइप्स ऑफ क्रॉप्स एंड एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिसेस इन डिटेल्स। लेकिन मैंने वीडियो में पहले ये लिया है और बाद में ये वाला लिया है, तो कोई फिक्र नहीं। तो सबसे पहले टाइप्स ऑफ क्रॉप्स, सेकेंड एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिसेस और सारी प्रैक्टिसेस डिटेल में। ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी सी टाइप्स ऑफ क्रॉप्स। सो टाइप्स ऑफ क्रॉप्स, what are crops? So its definition is when plants of same type are grown or cultivated at one place on large scale, it is called crop. So this is the definition of for crop, that when the same type of crop means like anything for mustard, groundnut or anything is grown at one place for this is one place which is big farm, and here is grown on large scale means so much, so it is called crop. Okay, it is called crop. It is a very important definition of this chapter. So next is types on basis of season, मीन्स सीजन के बेसिस पे जो टाइप्स है वो देयर आर टू मेनली टाइप्स ऑफ क्रॉप्स बेसिस ऑफ सीजन, खरीफ क्रॉप्स एंड रबी क्रॉप्स. दिस इज वेरी important that kharif crops and rabi crops. So kharif crops, these examples are very important to remember. So this is from our textbook only, NCERT textbook. So kharif crops is the crops which are sown in rainy season, means which is called monsoon, are called kharif crops. Means crops which are grown in monsoon are called kharif crops. So its example are also given. So rainy season begins from June to September in India. So this is also a good point to be remember, that it starts from June to September. Okay, so there are some examples which are important to remember. The first example is paddy, means gehu. Second is maize, means makai. Third is soybean. Fourth is groundnut, and fifth is cotton. And these are the examples of kharif crops. So this was the kharif crops. Let's come to the rabi crops. So rabi crops, the crops grown in the winter season. Winter season starts from October and ends till March, are called rabi crops. And examples of rabi crops are wheat, gram, pea, mustard and linseed. Means these are the examples of rabi crops which are also important to remember, and rabi crops are grown in winter season. Okay, so this was the types of crops. And now our last topic of this chapter, which is agricultural practices in detail. But before we see what are the agriculture practices, so first of all we need to prepare the soil. Means prepare means plowing or tilling, that we will see in next slide. Then second is sowing, means sowing the seeds. Third is adding manure and fertilizers. This is also the good topic for exam. There is also given a difference table in our textbook. It is also important to remember. Fourth is irrigation. Irrigation means supply of water. Fifth is protection from weeds. Weeds means small crops, which small plants which grow near our crop, and crops will not get complete nutrition because these weeds take nutrition from that. Sixth is harvesting, and seventh is storage. Let's understand all one by one. So our first is preparation of soil. So it is based on plowing or tilling. So plowing or tilling is done by hoe, plow or cultivator. Then second is sowing. Sowing means this is our soil, and there is a funnel, and we have to drop down the seeds. It is called funnel method. Another is seed drill, which is a machine tractor, and it is used to sow the seeds. Then third is adding manure and fertilizer. Manure can be organic. Manure is organic substance and natural, and fertilizer are organic or can be inorganic. It can be natural or synthetic, or it is rich in particular nutrients. And fourth number is irrigation. Irrigation means supply of water. So old methods are moat, chain pump, dhekli, rahat, and the sprinklers. And modern method are sprinkler system, means this is a land, and here are crops. In middle there is a sprinkler, so all their water goes, and it gets water to plants. And second is drip system, which is very important. Means these are our crops, and this is also our crop. This is our crop, and the farmer give a line here, pipe, and water goes on inside. And here there are holes near the roots of the plant, so that water comes from here, and drop by drop it falls in the root. And here also roots. It is very expensive but also very effective. So fourth number. Then fifth number is weeding. Fifth number is weeding. So weeding can be done by a khurpi. Khurpi means this is our crop, and here weeds are grown. So with the help of khurpi we can cut this, and the removal of weed is done, and can be also done by seed drill, and also spraying, by spraying. And during spraying we have to cover our nose because it is harmful. So this was weeding. Sixth is harvesting. Harvesting can be done manually by sickle. Sickle is like this, and here stand, so that crops can easily cut by this. And by machine we can also it done by harvester. Now seventh is Threshing. Threshing can be done manually. Threshing means removing a husk part from crop. Husk part removing from crops. It can be also done by thresher machine or combined thresher, which includes harvesting also and threshing also. Harvesting, which we saw in the last, and it also does the threshing of the crop or plant. And now the last is our storage. Storage is for two types: small scale means less crop, and large scale means more crop. The small scale can be done by jute bags or in the beams. Like these are the bags, jute bags. Here they are put. Okay, and by metallic beams means here big beams are there, which can protect from rain and moisture from the to plants. And if they are large scale, then they can be also done by silos, means they are very big containers like this, and here crops will be there. And other is granaries, which is a room near the home of farmer, and all crops are stored here. This was the first chapter. In short, I explained it all. I am all slide moving so that you could take photos of this for notes. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel on YouTube. Until next video, bye bye and take care. Stay home, stay safe.